Kelly. I got into photography, I would say, at about the age of 16. Always loved taking photos as a young child in elementary school and things like that, but my first digital camera was gifted to me when I was 16, and that's when I got my first job as a photographer at a wildlife Alaska Lodge. And then I would say got into photography as an art and shooting more portraiture and weddings in college when I started studying it. I would say my photography style is more real, candid, I guess just more going with a flow type of style than posed. My personality is definitely more bubbly, happy, go lucky, go with the flow, I would say, than anything else. A few of the things I do to make my couples feel more comfortable in front of my camera with me is just get to know them a little bit better on a personal basis, find out their love story. I love to meet with them beforehand, obviously once to twice if we're available to, and just get to know them personally a little better, what they do for fun, how they fell in love, and be able to just capture that story and tell their story on their wedding day. I love to do tons of things outside of photography, even though photography has been a passion and something I've always done for fun on the side. I enjoy snowboarding, spending time with my family, traveling. My dogs, whom I love, we spend tons of time with them, just trying to be outdoors and enjoying life as much as possible and being healthy. I am so passionate about photography because I love everything that it exemplifies. I love the fact that it captures moments of time, freezes them for you to be able to look at for the rest of your life. I love how it's used as an art form. I love that it's used for portraiture, events, lifestyle, as well as strictly art. Just the multiple different ways that it's able to be used and how long that it's been around. I enjoy its history. Everything about it I really enjoy.